Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna and today I'm going to show you a look with the new Skyward collection by Lethal Cosmetics. Lethal Cosmetics is a German indie brand and I will link them down below in my description box. Just a short disclaimer, this video is not sponsored and I'm not affiliated with them. I have already uploaded a video with the collection that is more pink and purple themed, and today I'm going to show you the blue and green themed collection. It's called Skyward and it's here on the left side of my custom palette. I'm going to insert some swatches for you. It's beginning on the left side with the color Celestial, then Yonder, then Altitude, Eden, Surge and Mirage. I know the dark green color Eden isn't swatching that well, but it's one of my favorite colors from this collection. I wanted to show you a look today where I use every shadow from the new collection so that you can see them on the eye, and I really hope that you enjoy this video. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and now let's hop right into the tutorial. I'm starting with the color Altitude on my Sigma E27 brush, and I'm applying this color to the inner half of my crease. I'm building this color up until it has the intensity I want. Now I'm going in with Yonder and I'm applying it to the outer half of my crease. I'm using the same brush here and I just cleaned it in between with a brush cleaner. Now I'm taking the color Eden on my Sigma E42 brush and I'm blending it on to my outer corner. Then I'm going back in with the color Yonder and I'm blending over the edges. Now I'm taking the color Mirage on my finger and I'm applying it to the center of my lid. Then I'm taking the color Celestial on my pinky and I'm applying it to the very inner part of my lid and to my inner corner. Now I'm going back in with Altitude and Yonder and I'm blending over the edges. Then I'm taking the color Eden, the dark green color, and I'm reapplying some of the color on my outer corner and I'm also blending over the edges. Now for my lower lash line, I'm taking the color Surge on the Morphe E36 pencil brush and I'm applying it to the inner part of my lower lash line. Then I'm taking the color Yonder on a Sigma E36, it's a very small blending brush and I'm blending over the edges. Next I'm taking the color Eden on my Sigma E42 brush and I'm applying it to the outer part of my lower lash line, and I'm also trying to connect the colors on the outer corner. Then I'm taking the same Sigma brush as before, the small blending brush, and the color Yonder, and I'm blending the dark green color out, and I'm also trying to blend these two colors together. Now I'm taking my Morphe M213 brush and I'm applying a bit more of Celestial to my inner corner and to my brow bone. Now I'm also going to apply some eyeliner to my waterline, and I couldn't really decide which one to take, but I'm going with the Zulu liner from Colourpop. It's a beautiful minty color and I think it completes the look very beautiful. Now I'm going to apply some mascara to my upper and my lower lashes, and I'll be right back. Now here you can see the finished look. I'm so in love with this color story and this look. Please tell me in the comments down below if you want to see some other looks with these shadows from Lethal Cosmetics. I think it's so much fun to play with some color from time to time, and as you may have noticed, I'm really in love with blue and green and teal eyeshadows. I really hope that you will like this look too. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please hit the like button and please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching and have an awesome day.